Hey YouTube, welcome back to Her Home Is, and this is your first time tuning in. Welcome. Now you guys, as you can see, we're getting ready to glamify this hallway, bathroom, and pantry. You heard me correct. We're finna get ready to finish updating the space. First, I am starting by painting this hallway section, you guys. Now, after this video, you're going to have one more video coming, you guys, that's going to fully show you the full completed look as well. Now, as you see, my niece kept popping in, and let me just tell you, she was talking junk because she swore that I didn't know how to hang stuff. And I had to show her that I typically hang stuff right on the first try. It's almost, because once you do this for a while, you guys, you kind of get an eye for it, or you get better at it. So you're going to see when we come back to hang this picture, she was amazed. She told everybody in the house, she put that nail right. I put that nail right on the first try. So you're going to see her and my sister kind of in and out the video. I'm not going to do too much talking. You're going to get a little talking with me in one section of the video, but I'm not going to do too much talking during this video. You guys, I came to work. I came to finish up this project because currently, you guys, your girl is working on 3 different homes, you guys, that I am designing and decorating. So I'm trying to get my sister out the way so she can leave me alone for a while so I can actually go back to the job that pays me. So with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Also, never ever forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the channel. Now, if you like watching, click a few playlists. See what I would do offer here on the channel. I had to get my little dance in because I had that. And you guys, this mirror was super duper heavy. Very heavy. But check out the channel. Now, if you're just watching and you're trying to see this channel for you, make sure you watch a few videos. And if you're returning, you guys, you do know that you help my channel out by watching my videos. If you watch from start to finish, watch those ads as well. It tells YouTube that you enjoy seeing my content, and therefore they will share it with someone else. Now, with that being said, let's get into this bathroom transformation that we're finna finalize, you guys. And as I always tell you, never trust a decorator that does not look at what they're doing, because that's how we know when we have something correct. We have to look to see if everything comes in alignment. And here's the paint I'm using. I am using that Valspar signature paint, you guys. This paint is scuff proof. Check out Valspar. They have like 8 different levels or grades of paint. All of them do right now, but it's the scuff proof is what sealed it for me. And this paint don't actually fade, because your paint can fade. And I'm showing you guys some of my painting techniques. I typically never ever put up a drop cloth, and I am doing this, you guys, with a cheap paintbrush. This is what she had. They threw my other paintbrushes away by accident, so I'm just using what she had, and I'm just showing you how. I'm just finna go in and paint it, then I'm gonna come back and just catch it up. Now, I will advise, if you don't paint as much as I have, and I painted a lot, I've been painting for many moons now. If you don't paint that much, put up your tape, put down your drop cloth as to not make a mess. Now you're gonna see, and I think I did show you, I did hit a spot in the ceiling and on that one side wall. I had like 2 correction spots I had to make while painting, but I correct them. As you see, no trim, no nothing. And if you're painting, a useful tip, you guys, when you're choosing your paint color, you do know that once you look at the paint going up, it looks slightly different once it dries. Because as this went up, and I'm going to tell you, I was wondering if most people would think it was black. And my niece, when she came in, the one that was trying to see what I was doing, you saw in and out this video, when she walked back in the space after I had started this, she was like, That blue is gorgeous. She did not know what color I was doing, and she was coming down the hallway. So that told me this color is actually speaking in the place. I can't wait for you guys to see the completed look. Now at this point, I'm going to quit talking so you can enjoy the video. The video after this, you guys, will be almost my full fall look, with the exception of I have to repaint my walls and my living room, but everything will be set as is. Make sure you do check that video for that on, I think it will be Sunday, but it'll be the video right that plays after this. Also, make sure you're coming back to the channel if you're not getting those notifications. I did hang this mirror here, and I'm in the middle of a retie, you guys, getting the hair retied. But I did hang that. And as you can come in, you remember we have this. I'm going to put a cabinet up here to hang that to create more storage. Now, you did see me. And you guys, this paint is the Sherwin-Williams. It is scuff proof. This is naval. It is a blue. The two vases, you guys, are from Z Gallery. That urchin vase. This is a piece we've been had those from Burlington. I was going to trash them, but I'm going to change out the glitter. Look at the curtains that we put up in here. This bathroom is given dark, moody, and elegant. We did do that. My mirror that I was putting here was actually too big. I'm going to show you what I did with it. I got to take this out because we purchased that. So I'm going to have to go back and put my mirror here. I'm waiting on the company to send me the LED backlit mirrors, and I'm just doing one large single one here. Then I'm going to, I told you, redo my, not going to let you see every, well, you're going to still get one more video after this with everything complete. But you see, you guys, my wallpaper is complete. This is the mirror. The bathroom wall, I thought this mirror was a 62, but this mirror is actually a 74 in length. So I just opted to hang it right here. Look at this wallpaper. I am going to paint out the buffet. And you guys, this naval color is the dead color, perfect color of this here. It's that perfect match. So today I gotta finish painting this. Then I'm gonna hang my curtain, and that's gonna be all I'm gonna do for this video. I'm gonna show you what I did design wise. If you want to see a pantry haul and a pantry stock and pantry organization, let your girl know, and I will make sure I let you guys see that. But that is what I've done. That is what that space is looking like. And when I tell you, she is gorgeous. I have some help with all of the painting. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna change out the bathroom. You guys still remember here, I got my pieces to put in here. I gotta put them up. You do remember the black and white room, and like I say, this room is the same color white. I've added that on the bed. So we're gonna bring, and you can see this very well here. See at the top here and the wall in there, those are our colors. Tell you guys, most people don't really want the white. It's like, oh, white, 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 white. But as you can see, that is a major difference in that. I tell you, colors do play a major role in how you live your everyday life. I am going to fix my doors. Then I'm going to repaint in here, and I'm coming back with that whole new color.